Hey guys, so today we're going to be cooking one of our favorite family dishes. It's a Lebanese dish and Curly and Kate chose it. What are we cooking today, guys?
Bazala!
Bazala, which is green peas.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so we're going to get through this, especially now that the kids are back to school. We love to send them to school with nutritious and yummy dishes. So Carly and Kate, are you ready to cook with us?
Yeah!
So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make this dish. KK, what's this?
I have it.
Carly, what's this?
Peas.
KK, what's this?
White onion.
Onion, good job. Carly, what's this?
Garlic. Garlic.
Good job. KK, what's this?
Salt.
Carly, what's this?
Meat.
Daddy, what's this?
Tomato sauce.
Good job, guys.
Daddy, be careful. I don't want you to burn yourself.
Now that the meat has turned golden, we add the carrots and the peas.
Okay, and the peas. Yummy.
So now we're gonna add the tasbika tomato cooking sauce from Heinz, and it already has Arabic spices, so we won't need to add any spices to the tomato sauce. It's a ready to cook sauce. It's super convenient. It offers consistency of taste every single time and is super delicious. We then add some hot water to cover the peas. So now that it's fully cooked and smells delicious actually, we serve the bazala with rice. Usually it's served with rice called riz b'shari. It's like rice with vermicelli, but we are using brown rice at home. So this is how we're having it. We're gonna have this for dinner tonight, but for packing it to school, I have these little snack boxes and lunch boxes. Easy peasy.